Hello everyone. Manufacturing technology 1. Important multiple choice questions with answers. First question. The pattern used for mass production. Option A is the correct answer. Match plate pattern is the correct answer. The amount of draft required. The amount of draft required does not depend upon dash. Option C is the correct answer. Material of pattern is the correct answer. Next question. Distortion allowance is not provided in the following shape of cast. Option D is the correct answer. O is the correct answer. Distortion in casting cannot be prevented by option D is the correct answer. Providing proper shrinkage allowances. Option D is the correct answer. Eighth question. The, the machining allowances provided to ferrous casting for making small and average size casting. Option B 3 mm is the correct answer. Ninth question. This is 2-mark MCQ. Observe this question. During sand conditioning, the item added and their qualities are given. Silica, observe this. Silica, coal dust, clay, and water. These are part A. This is part B. Match this part A and B. This part A and part B. Part B answers are shuffled. You want to choose the correct answer for the part A. The options are given like this. Option C is the correct answer. C is 1 3 2 1 3 4 4 2. 1 3 means see this. 1 3 silica value. Silica meaning is of part A, part B. Withstand high. Silica withstand high is the correct answer. See this. Option C is the correct answer. 1 3 we choose 2 1 3 4 4 2. 2 1 2 coal dust. 2 is coal dust. 2 1 helps in cooling mode. Helps in cooling mode is the correct answer. And observe 3 4 3 4 3 is water. 4 is impact necessary for bond molding sand. These are correct answer. 3 4 and 4 2. Silica 1, coastal 2, clay 3, water 4, 4 2. 4 2 increases adhesive. Up, I showed this question. Write it your note and match it correctly. See my cursor. This silica, coal dust, temperature, water. Again, I'm saying, write clearly. Silica, coal dust, clay, water. Silica, coal dust, clay, water. Okay. This is part A. Part B helps in cooling the mold. Increase adhesive clay. Increase adhesive only, not clay. Withstand high temperature. Impart necessary bond on molding. Write it your note this question. And this is the correct answer. Match this format. 1 3 2 1 3 4 4 2. This is option C is the correct answer. Match it your note and study. Next question. The low permeability in sand can cast which of the following defects in casting? Option B is the correct answer. Blow holes is the correct answer. Next question. Which of the following is not type of core according the position? Option C. Inclined is the correct answer. Next question. First question. Which of the following is not true about core chaplet used in casting? Option D. It is removed after casting. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. A crucible furnace is used for melting of. Option D is the correct answer. Not ferrous metal is the correct answer. Next question. In casting getting ratio is defined as the ratio of dash. Option A is the correct answer. Spruce area, total gate area. Which of the following is true in case of directional solidification? This is also 2-mark MCQ. Write this question in your note and observe it. And again, this is given option 1, option 2, option 3. Totally 4 options are given. They are asking the which of the following is true. Option A is the correct answer. 1 2 3. The given 3 options. All options are right. So option A is the correct answer. Write it to your note and observe it and study it. Next question. This is 2 mark MCQ. Which are the following 16th question? Which are the following help to entrapping impurity in debris following towards the casting? Option D is the correct answer. Skim bob. Which are the minimum thickness for simple design iron and aluminum? Option C 3 mm and 3 mm. Option C is the correct answer. Which of the following is true about races? Option D is the correct answer. 1, 2, and 3. Totally 3 options are given. All the options are right. So option D is the correct answer. 1, 2, and 3. All the options are right. Next question. Which of the following is not defects? Option D is the correct answer. Hard cracks is the correct answer. Next question. 21st question. Which of the following is true for sand casting? This is also 2 mark MCQ. Option 1, option 2. See my cursor. This is option 1. This is option 2, option 3, option 4. 24 options are given. They are asking which of the following is true for sand casting. The correct answer is option C is the correct answer. C means 1, 3, and 4. Options 1, 3, and 4 are right. Okay. Write it your question. Write this question in your note. I am showing once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. The correct answer is option C 1, 3, 4. So second, this statement is wrong for the sand casting. Observe this question carefully. Write the correct answer. Okay. Next question. In 3 boxes, molding the middle box is known as dash. Option C. Chick is the correct answer. Next question. The taper provided to pattern for its removal is known as dash. Option D is the correct answer. Draft allowances. Next question. The property of sand due to which gas and steam escape from the sand is dash. Option C. Permeability is the correct answer. Permeability is the correct answer. According to their use, which of the following is not type of molding sand? Option D. Wet sand is the correct answer. The function of course in casting is to option B is the correct answer. Form internal cavities. Form internal cavities is the correct answer. Manufacturing technology book product link I given in the description box. You will use it. Which of the following sand is applied directly next to surface of the pattern? Option B is the correct answer. Facing sand is the correct answer. Green sand consists of dash. Option A 70% and 30% of clay. 70% is sand, 30% of clay is the correct answer. Machine molding is used for dash. Option A is the correct answer. Small is the correct answer. In permanent mold casting, the molten metal is poured. Option B under gravity is the correct answer. See this. This is also 2 mark MCQ. In permanent mold casting, the molds are usually coated with the refractory, wash and then lamp back to. The given 4 options reduce chilling effect to prevent sinkage, facilitate the removal of casting. Which are the following true? Option C. Option C is 1 and 3. Option 1 and first option and third options are right. So that is correct. Okay, next question. The permanent mold casting are capable of maintaining clearance of the order of dash. Option B is the correct answer. 0.06 to 0.3 mm is the correct answer. Which of the following is not true? Permanent mold casting. Option C can be used for large size casting is the correct answer. The semi-permanent mold casting. Option B is the correct answer. Sand core is used. The slush casting. Option D is the correct answer. No core is used. Option D is the correct answer. In which of the following type of casting the molten metal is allowed for solidify up to required thickness? Option C slush casting is the correct answer. Ornaments, toys, and statue are low melting alloy. are made by which of the following method? Option C, slush casting is the correct answer. In which of the following method close fitting core are pushed in cavities? Option D is the correct answer. Press casting is the correct answer. Next question. In chamber casting machine, totally three. This is also option A is the correct answer. Melting unit is an integral part of machine is the correct answer. Next question. The cold chamber casting machine. Option B. Melting chamber is external part of the machine is the correct answer. To overcome the problem, link below the option D. Vacuum casting machine is the correct answer. Which of the following is true? Option A. One part stationary and then movable. These questions are useful for Anna University online examination, Anna University examination, TANCET examination, GATE examination, competitive examinations. So many basic questions asked from this video. This video share your friends. Manufacturing technology book product link I given in the description box. You will use it. To produce a non-ferrous casting having the mechanical properties comparable with following method is used. Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Squeeze casting is the correct answer. No core is needed to form hole in. Option D. Centrifugal casting. Option D is the correct answer. Iron pipes and cylindrical barriers are produced in dash. Option A. True centrifugal casting is the correct answer. Core is used in following method. Option B is the correct answer. Semi-centrifugal is the correct answer. Which are the method used for non-symmetrical? Option C is the correct answer. Centrifugal casting is the correct answer. Flywheels, track wheels, and gear can be produced by option B. Semi-centrifugal is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Use of runner riser and course eliminated in dash. Option A is the correct answer. Centrifugal is the correct answer. Next question. In precision casting for final casting we use C. C is the correct answer. Dental casting and turbine blader are produced by dash. Option B. Investment casting is the correct answer. In plaster mold casting, tack is added to plaster while mixing to dash. Option C. To prevent cracking of mold is the correct answer. The thickness of shell is the mold. Option A 0.3 to 0.6. Option A is the correct answer. 0.3 to 0.6 mm is the correct answer. Petrol engine cylinder are made by shell mounting is the correct answer. In which of the following process the metal is point of solidification? Option C is the correct answer. Continuous is the correct answer. Check the description box. I given the manufacturing technology product that book link I given in the description box. You will use it. This question are useful for Anna University online examination, GATE examination for mechanical department, TANCET examination for mechanical department, and competitive examination. Some general questions asked from this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel Chrome Tech. Share this video to your friend. Check the description box. Check the description box for more questions. Thank you. Next video we'll see another important question.